This is HeyAuto Connect. In this section, you are able to connect a customer to a specific piece of inventory. By linking a customer to the vehicle they purchased, this action will trigger the system to send them an email to sign up for their glove box. This will connect you as their primary dealership immediately and allow you to stay in contact with them throughout the duration of their vehicle ownership. When they receive notifications for service reminders such as oil changes or any other items, your connected customers will then be prompted to reach out to you to schedule an appointment. Choose the customer to whom you have sold the vehicle. If they are not on your list, you can add them by clicking Add Customer. Select the vehicle from your inventory list and add in the amount the vehicle was sold for. Click Next, and that's it. You now have the option to send them a request to review you on our integrated auto-trusted platform as a verified purchaser. This can also be done later in the customer profile directly. And finally, you can gift them trees in the Keys for Trees feature. Once you decide how many you would like to send, they will receive a notification to then be able to choose where they would like to have them planted from the available locations across Canada. Staying connected to your customers has never been easier. Get started with HeyAuto Connect.